Let's learn how to enter a purchase order in the AS400. Before learning how to enter a purchase order, you must know how to look up a vendor and how to find item information. We have tutorials, videos on both how to look up an item and how to look up a vendor. Let's proceed and log on to the AS400. And we're on our main menu. Select number 2, Inquiries, and number 4, Buy Pending. The fields at the top of the screen allow us to look up information and update information. Let's proceed and look up vendor Big Sky 275. And these are the purchases we're making to Big Sky. We're paging down, which allows us to see more information, or page up to bring us back to where we were. Let's clear that. Let's learn how to enter a purchase order. Notice F10, which is add a purchase order. Please press F10. And the first field is your vendor field. Let's put in 275. Remember to press your enter key to justify your work. We're going to allow the system to assign the purchase order. Notice where I put the cursor. It is Shift F12, which is F24. And they've assigned purchase order 184. Tab over the purchase order, because if you hit your enter key at this point, you're going to wipe out your purchase order number. Let's put our buyer number, and it brings us down to our item number. For our training purposes, we are going to use item number 66110. Remember to hit your enter key so it justifies. We're going to price it at 12 cents. Remember, no decimal point. And we're going to tab over and we'll put the quantity of 5,000. Press Control and it stores your information. And continue if you have multiple items. Then F7 to bring yourself out. If you wish to look up your information, either you can use the SKU number or the item number, the vendor, or the purchase order. Let's use the item number 66110. Enter and then Control, and it brings up the information. There's a U here and a D here. A D allows you to to display the information and bring yourself out by Control, or you could have F7 through that out of that dialog box. A U allows you to update the information. Say you get a due date and you want to put it in so it appears on your reports. Or if you needed to change the quantity, you can press, say we made it 7,000, and to clear the rest of the field, you hit your enter key and then you store it by your control key. Let's go ahead and learn what the F means. Fax, print, email, all the same thing to us. So by placing an F on one line of the purchase order, that's how you group the information. Place an F, Control. It brings you into the PO printing. You can email it by placing an email address here. You can place a Y here for CSV or a P for a PDF. And then you press your control key and it stores and it goes where you'd like. Now that we've learned how to enter a purchase order, let's go ahead and delete it and then continue on our next training video. Thank you. Remember F4 down here is our delete key. This also, before we leave, I just want to let you know this F9 actually brings you into the item inquiry, so you don't have to leave the screen if you need more information as you're entering the PO. But we do not. We're going to press F4 and end our training.